Hi everyone, welcome to the Emma Coloring Channel. Today we're going to learn colors with this coloring page. Let's play! Pink,
Yankee Doodle went to town riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up.
Orange,
Doodle dandy, mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Father and I went down to camp along with Captain Good.
Yellow,
There we saw the men and boys as thick as hasty pudding.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy, mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
red,
And there was Captain Washington and gentle folks about him. They say he's grown so tarnal proud he will not ride without them.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy,
Green.
mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
red,
Yankee Doodle went to town
Yellow.
riding on a pony, stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni.
Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle dandy, mind the music and the step, and with the girls be handy.
Farmer in the dell,
Blue.
the farmer in the dell. Hi ho the dairy-o, the farmer in the dell. The farmer takes the wife, the farmer takes the wife.
Thanks for watching the Emma Coloring Channel. If you liked this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up that lets me know to make more videos just like this for you. Click or tap on this video to watch it. Click or tap to subscribe. It's free. Plus, you get to see my latest videos. And until next time, be happy and keep smiling.